Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a potato. This is tofu. Potato can provide sour taste, while tofu can provide umami taste. Today I will use these two ingredients to make a soup. Now, let's start it. First, we cut the tomato from the top in a cross shape, but do not cut it completely. Then we soak the tomato in boiling water for a while, as this can quickly remove the skin of the tomato. If you think it's troublesome, you can actually skip this step. In fact, the skip of tomatoes has many benefits in Chinese cuisine, such as promoting digestion. Then let's cut the tofu. First, slice the tofu, then cut it into strips, and finally cut it into small cubes. In China, tofu is divided into southern tofu and northern tofu. Both types are suitable for making soup. And you can buy tofu at your local Chinese grocery stores. I used the northern tofu this time. We fish out the tomato that had been soaked in hot water, and at this point, peeling it has become very easy. Next, we chop the tomato into pieces. After that, we cut some scallions. Next, we turn on the power and pour the edible oil. When the oil is heated, add the scallions and stir fry until the fragrance is released. Next, pour in the tomatoes. Then add 1 gram of salt, which can make the tomatoes softer and mushier. When the tomatoes become soft and mushy, add water. Either warm or cold water is fine. After the water boils, add the tofu and continue cooking. When the water boils again, the soup will be ready. Alright, this soup is ready. Let me taste it. It's pretty good. The potato with sour taste, very appetizing. Traditional tomato tofu soup, we also add some eggs. If you want to have multiple tastes, you can get some eggs in your cooking this dish. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!